Hey, Silent J here. Today it's January 6th. It's about -1 degrees. It's a little bit of a winter wonderland out here. Look at this. This looks amazing. Normally we don't have this much snow. It's snowing for 3 days now. Anyway, today we are going to go through my stock, see what we need to replace, repair, see if we need to order some foundation, repair some frames, order some frames. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I hope you can see this clearly. Also, bear with me. This is my first video, so wish me luck. Let's get started. Okay, so this is like there's a hole in it. The wiring is not all tight, so I'll probably put this in a container and melt it down. Same thing here. There's a hole. Maybe the bees can repair it, but yeah, we can replace this as well. I don't know what's been through here, but just to show you, if you can see it, I don't want to risk it, so I'll melt this down as well, make something else out of it. Bees should be able to repair this without issue. Hole's too big, there's wire here. I don't know. Let's reuse this wax for something else. Here's some pollen in there. Some gunk, I don't know what that is, but I think we can have the bees let it repair. Looks fine to me as well. Yeah, looks good. So we just took out 1, 2, 3, 4 frames. So we need to order foundation for these. These are simplex honey frames. Looks fine. Yeah, looks fine. Perfect for reuse. Yeah, this is reusable. Just want to make sure there's nothing, like a wax mold in there. Okay, on to the next box. Slide it into frame. Let's go. Looks fine by me. Same thing. A nice, neat, fresh build-out frame. Look at it, never used. Looks good. Good to me as well. I'll do this a little bit faster because else this is pouring. Yeah, bees will repair this. Look. See this? Get away with that. It's stuck to the frame. Perfect frame. This is a good one. Look, what's in the box? Well, actually nothing. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 super frames with foundation. Are you able to see this? Should I move you up a little bit? Okay, here we have a brood box with nothing but empty frames without foundation. So that's 11 frames of brood foundation we need. Probably need to, let me see if they're all wired. Yeah. Looks like they're all wired. Wired is a bit loose. We will tighten them up when we do the foundation. Some of the, like there are separators here. Some of the separators are broken down. I need to replace that as well. So we'll order that onto the next box. Okay, here we have a mix and match. So, empty honey super frame. This one needs wiring, so I need to order some wire. I don't have any more. Same thing. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that need to be wiring, and two nice honey frames. Actually, below this is something else, which is just a Segeberger feeder. Need to clean this up, but this is fine. Next box. Foundation, 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 foundation. All brand new frames. Here's one that's already a little bit built out. Same thing here. Oh. Don't know if you can see that, but this was a brood nest frame. You see the dark spots, so broods came out of this, filled with some nectar. All brand new frames, so we're ready for this one. Don't need to do anything. So, we're back. Short recap here. Actually, I lost count. So, as this is my first video, I hope I'm able to create a tracker here or during the video. I don't know. We'll see. We'll order the foundation and then we probably in another video render down the wax. I'll show you that. I'll cut out the wax. Yeah, that's about it. So thank you for watching. See you later. Wait. I forgot to tell you about these bad boys, right? So currently these need to be painted. These are 6 frame Segeberger Nooks. I have a fun little project coming up for this. We have a couple problems that we need to solve, but I'll tell you later in another video. Sign out.